What's happening, guys? So on today's episode of Knight's Armory, we are going to be reviewing the Kershaw CQC-6K folding pocket knife. It's got a 3.25 inch D2 stainless steel blade, manual open, G10 handle. It's textured, thing feels really nice. Yeah, opens really nice. Just everything about it. It's a good knife. I am probably going to end up keeping this one because I lost my other Kershaw. So, with that said, one of my favorite features of this is right here. So, if it's in your pocket, like so, all you have to do, pull it. That little hook right there is going to catch, and it's going to automatically open. Super fast. Very convenient. It's a good knife, and it's got a kind of stonewash look going on right down there. Yep, I like it. So, that's all I got. Have a good day. Today on... What's happening, guys?